Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Panchkula location. It is from Haryana. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Altruist Technologies Private Limited. They are looking for DBA operations. And if you see the job requirements, like the candidates should have hands-on experience with strong proficiency in Oracle, MySQL and PostgreSQL and SQL Server database management, and provision DB instances both in clustered and non-clustered configurations, and ensure performance, secure and availability of databases, and experience in large scale and very high transactional databases on Linux platform as well as Windows platform, and prepare documentations and specifications, and handle common database procedures such as upgrade, backup, recovery, migration, etc. These are some job requirements. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for search engine optimization specialist in Passion Gaming. If you see the qualifications required for this job role, like the candidate should have bachelor's or master's degree or equivalent practical experience and at least 4 years plus experience in SEO and demonstrated ability in translating customer insight into actionable, and the candidate should have excellent verbal and written communicational skills and perform periodical technical audits on Rummy Passion's web pages, blogs, etc. and SEO strategy recommendations in terms of page load, mobile friendly UI or UX, and page speed and CWV, etc. These are some qualifications required for this job role. If you see the benefits, like they will provide PF and gratuity, and working days will be 5 days, and paid leaves will be there, and holidays and parties, festival celebrations and birthday celebrations, etc. and equability, like absence of favoritism in hiring and promotion. These are some benefits for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for search engine optimization specialist in Optimistic Technologies. If you see the job responsibilities, like review and analyze client sites for areas needing improvement, and prepare detailed strategy reports, create and launch campaigns, and improve clients' rank in major search engines. These are some responsibilities for this job role. And if you see the qualifications required, like the candidate should have bachelor's degree in information technology or a related field, and 3 years plus technical experience, and strong analytical skills and understanding of all search engines and functions as well as marketing. These are some qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing executive in ITX Essential. For this job role, females are preferred, and if you see the skills required, like the candidates should have skills in social media marketing, social media optimization, SMO, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and search engine marketing and search engine optimization. And coming to the primary skills required, like content writer preferred, and must be an excellent writer with a good command of the English language. And if you see the job type, it will be a full time, and the freshers are also eligible for this job role, and the salary will be 10,000 to 15,000 per month. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for search engine optimization executive in Mansa Web Solutions. Coming to the experience required, like freshers and 3 years experienced candidates can apply. And if you see the job description, like monitoring website traffic, search results, and developing strategies, and generating content ideas and delegating these to the team, and overseeing content creation and offering suggestions, and updating outdated content, and optimizing pages for desktop, tablet, and mobile use, and developing link building strategies, and managing paid search campaigns, and keeping up to date with new trends and best SEO practices. This is about the job description. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing specialist in Genesis Educates. If you see the job responsibilities, like you will be responsible for working on in-house activities to build sustained marketing efforts and take follow-ups with the potential candidates. And if you see the job description, like they are looking for highly dynamic, passionate, and self-driven individuals who are willing to make an impact, and the candidate must have decent communicational skills and basic computer knowledge, and this will be a paid internship. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for SEO executive in NetSales Softtech. And coming to the experience required, like freshers and 3 years experienced candidates can apply. And if you see the benefits, like SEO executive learn new platforms of performing SEO skills with professionals and enhance your skill sets and work in best environment. And if you see the job responsibilities, like provide SEO analysis and recommendations in coordination with elements and structure of websites and web pages, and develop and implement link building campaigns, and create advanced SEO strategies and promote both offsite and on-site activities, and also the interaction that build ranking, profile, and traffic. And the prerequisite passions for SEO and overall internet marketing, and strong understanding of SEM and SEO process, and experience working with popular keywords, highly level proficiency in MS Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. These are some job responsibilities. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Last one, there is a job opening for client coordinator in Union Roadways Corporation. And if you see the job responsibilities, like the candidates should plan delivery routes and dispatch drivers to complete deliveries, and record shipment details on the computer system, and review driver logs and respond to client feedback or complaints, prepare payslips for drivers. These are some job responsibilities. And if you see the requirements, like the candidate should have a high school qualification or equivalent, and prior experience as a transport coordinator or a similar role, and excellent attention to detail, and ability to problem solve, excellent communicational skills, and excellent organizational and time management skills, and computer literacy skills. These are some job requirements. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.